Okay, here we go. You got all three charts, right, buddy? All three charts on the Russell 2000? All right, thanks, man. All right, what we have, a trade that I introduced you guys to, a trade I just introduced you guys to is the Russell 2000. I call it the opening range trade. What I'm doing, this indicator right here, we give you this indicator to put on your own Ninja charts. There's a specific way you have to set this indicator up. Gerald has the instructions. So all members should have these two lines that automatically post at 10 a.m. on the Russell. 10 a.m. on the Russell, this should automatically plot these two lines. Once those two lines are plotted, okay, it gives you a reference point where to enter a trade using the J signal to your right. What I suggest you do is you set up, if you trade the Russell 2000 on my 10 o'clock trade, is you set it up just like this. You put my indicator, or how to set it up. Gerald gives you instructions how to set it up once you become a member, or if you're a member already, right here to the left. This is the setup chart. One indicator will post a low and post a high. These are reference points to show us when we're going to take the J signal trade. So it told me today, once I break 1136.10, I look for a J signal short. If I would have broke out 1140.40, I would have looked for a J signal long. What I suggest you do then is I suggest you put up a 5-sim Renko. It's a proprietary Renko bar chart. And what I suggest you do is you put the 5.5 setting only on the Russell 2000. Okay? That's a big black line, thick line. And what I would want you to do then is put your market profile in there, then set up either a 2 or 3 sim Renko beside it. Here was a setup today. We had a breakdown 1136. 1136, consequently, also at the same time was breaking my short time frame, my J signal. My J signal, if you look right now, 1136 is right here. It broke down. It retested 1136, the opening range trade, and I got my bullseye right there for number 3. There's your exact bar entry. There's your big move. All right, huge trade right there, $400 move, just like that per one contract. Your limited risk on that trade is this black line. After you enter, if it closes above that black line, I get out of the trade. I have very limited risk on that trade. Now, you don't have to use a 2-sim Renko. You can use a 3-sim if you want to, a 5 and a 3. What a 3 does is it just gives you less dots and less retracements. If you look on the 2-sim, it doesn't matter where you got in, here, 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 here. They all worked out as long as you stay below that black line. The key, though, what I want to do, the reason I love this one is this is the perfect spot. It actually broke through market profile, retested market profile to give me the ultimate divergence dot. This is all we need. We don't need anything else. We don't need price profile. We don't need volume profile. We don't need rollers. We just need to scale out on symmetry dots on the way down. Here's the first symmetry dots to bail on that trade setup. And then your second set is coming up on the Russell 2000. So the bottom line is you can trade just off of 3 charts. This will tell you the big time frame. This caught the exact swing high today on the Russell also. My 5 sim Renko with 5.5. And this, my shorter time frame, caught the swing. Now, if you want to go down to a 3 sim Renko, you can do that also. If you think 2's too small, I like the 2 because market profile lines up with it quite a bit on the break retest. If you think the 2's too fast for you, go to a 3. Let me show you here. Go to a 3 sim Renko. Still nail the high. Right there. Nail the high here. Nail the high here. I like see where the 2 nailed it was right here, the smaller time frame, because the smaller time frame will get you in those retest shorts. That's why I like it. Off the Russell 2000 trade, right there's your 2 sim that called the high also. So pick your spots, right? This is called the HVA confluence. When they overlap, you got yourself one hell of a trade, heck of a trade, sorry. Right there's your overlap of HVA and the line of sand. Very simple trade, but check this out. You don't see the consistency in this? The consistency, watch how this trade works. Watch. Let me go back. Let me go way back. Now check this out. Here was a J signal short on the retest. Huge trade. 1100 down to 1101. 100 tick trade. $1,000 move. J signal catches the high with my opening range trade at 10 o'clock. Here the J signal caught the low. Big move up. Another $300+ trade per one contract. Here, ABC long. J signal right there caught the low. Another $1,000 move up potential. More than that actually. Here, another move up. J signal caught the long. Another big move. Here, J signal caught the long. Another big move. You can see the consistency of the setup, guys and gals. Here, we caught the exact sell. See, this doesn't look like anything. So all those 1 minute traders, 5 minute traders, does that really look like a setup to you on a 1 minute chart? This is why that we developed the 5 Simrenko chart. Does that make any sense to you? Does that make any sense at all, how to buy and sell? No. That's why traders are not knowledgeable enough how to trade these markets. If you look, now look at this. Doesn't make sense how to trade that, right? Now look at this. Sure does make sense how to trade that, right? When you break it down to Renko charts, you get more bars. It totally makes sense how to trade it. Breakdown retest of LVA totally makes sense how to trade it. That's why you trade Renko bars over in 1 minute bar charts. A lot of traders just don't know that. They're not knowledgeable enough to know how to trade Renko bars. We came out with a proprietary Renko bar. It works great with the overall setup. All right? You guys have a great one. That's how I'd set up the Russell 2000 trade. Hey, if I come out with a strategy, I do it because it works. You guys, a lot of you guys text me, not text me, but email me yesterday. Over 50 tick trades. You got the one today again. I'm glad you guys and gals are making money. You're in here to learn professional setups. You're getting them. So continue to do great. Good job, guys and gals. Have a great one.